What's going on, guys? Today we are unboxing the Onn 7.1 virtual surround sound gaming headset. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so inside the box you obviously get the headset itself. You also get your little manual. The headset comes with a custom control switch that you can use to either increase the volume, turn on your surround sound, and also has RGB. Mind you, I paid $32 for this. Seems like that's about all you get in the actual box itself. Alrighty, so the packaging isn't so great. I mean, the way they boxed up and all that isn't the best, but nevertheless, the headset actually looks fairly clean. I mean, I think it looks pretty great. Obviously, it's kind of heavy. It has nice cushioning, so really nice cushioning on the inner earphones. You have an adjustable head strap, so the headset's the head strap is very adjustable, and it's got nice cushioning on this top layer. I mean, I think I could wear this for probably a couple hours straight gaming. It seems like the mic potentially detaches, maybe. I'm not gonna risk it, but it seems like it probably does. It also plugs in with USB. How many headsets do you know that are $32 that plug in with USB? With surround sound? But I guess without further ado, let's plug it in and see what it looks like when it's plugged in. So the headset does actually come with RGB, which is kind of surprising. But it feels great though. I mean, it definitely puts sound out. The mic's adjustable, you can move it to wherever you want. Just kind of get a nice position. I think the headset feels great. But I guess without further ado, let me give you guys a sound test.
Alrighty guys, so this is raw, no filters added, raw microphone performance, and I haven't heard it yet, but I'm assuming it sounds decent. I know it would work perfectly fine for Discord or late night gaming sessions or just hanging out on the game with friends. But I guess let's get some music audio and some YouTube audio and just kind of see how that sounds. Let's go. Now is actually a great chance to say, if you guys haven't yet and you're enjoying this review so far, if you could please hit that subscribe button. We are now at 1,430 loyal subscribers. If you guys wouldn't mind, and hit that like button as well. It greatly supports me, and thank you guys so much for watching this. Anyways, let's get back to the review. Alright guys, let's hear what Rose by Onn 7.1 sounds like. I love this song. Hopefully they don't copyright me, but let's go. Well guys, I think it sounds pretty great. Mind you, $32, and I think it sounds really awesome. So quick pros and cons of the Onn gaming headset. Pros: cheap, lightweight, comfy surround sound on PC. And I guess the only cons you could say is the mic's average. It's got a plasticky type of build, and on console or any other device, there really is no surround sound on the console. But for the price though, it's not bad at all. Tell me in the comments below, would you cop one? I mean, honestly, for the price, yeah, I'm actually really happy I bought it. This is actually my main mic I'm using now. I really just got it for the headset itself because my old one had kind of broke, but it's a solid option if you're on a budget and want surround sound without breaking the bank. If you're just a casual gamer, or I personally think you'll be very happy with it. But if this review helped you out, make sure to let me know in the comments below if you want to see more just like this, and so I can get some sponsorship. No, but seriously, make sure to drop a sub, and like I said, comment down below. Tell me if you would buy one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until the next one, my brothers and sisters. Love you guys. Goodbye.